hit them both with the nade, finish them both off. There's a couple interesting LTMs that are coming to the game. I'm actually going to show those off the ones that come out. But there's like this bodyguard LTM, and one person on your team is VIP. And if the VIP dies, your entire team dies. So if you keep the VIP alive, that's going to be I'm excited about it. So Epic has been doing a lot better with the LTM. I'm going to hit this guy with a nasty, just like, he won't even see it coming, bro. Like, I didn't even hit my shotgun for rapid fire. Uploaded a video recently saying that there will not be an end of season. They announced the event is actually going to be a very unique event, and I'll explain all that in today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications because we're going to be uploading season 6 related content all week. I already have a video that's going to go up tomorrow about Batman and how he's going to be involved in the Fortnite universe. So turn on notifications so you don't miss that video. It's going to be a live event at the end of the season that we traditionally have seen. As Jonesy and going through the 0 point, trying to prevent the 0 points from exploding, recruiting more people. It's going to be a whole story that's being told. Think of it as a single player game. If you ever played a single player game where it's like story based, there's probably some decisions that you're going to make, but at the end of the day, actually something that compares to it pretty well is the Galactus event. If you remember during the Galactus event, at one point we were flying through the spaceship and we were kind of shooting at those flying orbs from Galactus. It's going to be something of that nature, but more of a storytelling and a single-player experience. And as soon as you launch Fortnite for Season 6, you'll be able to play through it. So this is something very unique. I've never